Ah. What? Shouldn't go. Why are you closing my mouth?
Papa Ejima is not easy.
After all,
It's not easy.
I'll still come
And carry your load.
I'll carry my load.
Yes, after work, you still come and carry your
First you
load.
know, not retire.
Uh-huh.
You are picking me small now. Yeah, calm down. Calm down now.
For real?
No.
For what? You don't want to calm down? Eh? You are saying no.
Sit down, sit down.
Sit down, sit down. This boy.
This guy there. You're halfway to.
50 kg. No, na 50 kg. Guy, 2 of them are 50 kg. Almost 50 kg, the both of them.
I need water. Yeah, just sit down and bring water for me.
Go and bring water for your daddy.
Bring water for me, okay? Good boy.
Charlie, what's that one now? You're sleeping? Eh? What is it? Eh? Eh? You want to sleep? Daddy went to do to sleep.
Yeah, go to the room and sleep. Bring water for me.
My son has brought water. Good boy. Good boy.
Thank you.
Say you're welcome.
Bless you.
Water. Mommy.
Yes.
We water.
You want water too? Where is your water?
There.
Where? Where did you put it?
I'll see.
You don't use.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
I don't know where you kept it.
Mommy. I'll see water.
You can't see your water.
I'll beat you.
How fun? I was work today.
Thank God, though.
You tired?
Very, very tired.
Though? That's your water.
Let me give you.
Shopping.
Take care. Come on. Easy go. Now just come and take.
Just go and drink water.
Daddy.
Yes, sorry.
I'm going to
You miss me.
water.
You see me water.
Water.
See me water. So yeah,
You
taste.
say you need more. You're fine girl.
Just was.
You're pretty. Yes, so she has been testing.
How is school today?
Don't see Daddy's asking you how is school today. How was school today?
How was school today? Eh?
Treasure,
How was school?
did you let her do the homework?
Teacher.
Auntie, did you do it?
Teacher.
The children's homework.
What's
You
it?
have done it. You hold the children's hand to do it. No.
Eh? Did they give you assignments?
No, they say you should pay for their Christmas party.
Christmas party. We'll pay now.
Pay money for their Christmas party.
It's not 18,000 per person. It's not 18,000 naira.
No, I see no, yes. It's 15k each. Both of
18,000 naira.
them 30,000. Yes.
Daddy.
Daddy cover that place because of you. It's okay like that. Leave it like that. So pay your Christmas, your children's
18,000
Christmas
per
money.
person. 200, 30,000. Okay.
That disturbing me. No, it's not easy. This tailoring tape, I was using it for measurements now. No, you know our tailor is in Asaba. So she requested for Treasure's measurements that she wants to know if Treasure have added. So she requested for Treasure and Joyous measurements. So, but she didn't want another tailor to do. She just said she gets a tape. So she called me on video call and I was doing the measurements.
You
Yes.
did it perfect.
And she was watching me now, so I did it perfectly.
And you sent her the measurement.
Eh?
You sent her the measurement.
I've sent her the measurement.
So how did you check it?
Said
The
it's
old
okay.
one, the old measurement.
She said, Charger, I've added. She was shouting. She was
It's
shouting.
growing every day.
Charger tip is adult tip.
I don't think now. She's growing every day.
It's well, though.
Oh, the day.
Daddy.
Went to her.
Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy.
You went to her.
Yes.
The day went to her, Abby.
Yes.
Good boy.
Yes. Dada.
Yes, yes.
Just remove your hand from that thing. Good morning, guys. Beautiful morning to you all. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. How was your night? Sorry, son. Sorry. Pick your shoe and wear. How was your night? Hope your night was fine. Okay, guys. So we're awake and I just came outside now, and the outside is very cold. Like, guys, the harmattan is so sweet. So I'm outside. The children say they want to come and see their dad. Yes, son.
Big boss.
Yes, boss. So I had to dress them well. Understand? Okay, guys. So let's go and see what Hubby is doing this morning. I had to dress them like this because the weather is very cold. Socks and sweater like this. Joyous, is that the way to wear the shoe? Annie, do what? Alpha. Morning. I'm fine. Oh, for now, your first must be this one.
Oh boy, the original people. Yeah, how are you? Yeah, sure. Very true, very true.
I just did it. I did it.
Say to change it. No, the one is good, Johnson. Don't need to change it.
Mom.
So you see the way the avatar they call in the morning. Today on even call. Yesterday on you go just call. Huh? Car.
What do I say? Nando.
Say I see your daddy now.
You're looking for me.
If they wake up, they will ask her. If I'm not there, they will look for mommy. If you are not there, it's daddy.
Yeah. Step aside. Let me be clearing. Oh, yeah.
Daddy.
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 I'm going.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
What do you want? Yeah, I'm walking. Yeah. Step aside. What I did. Yeah.
Well done. Think carry dust. I say carry dust. Well done. Well done. Though? Where are you going, Johnson? Say rake there now for just the rake come. But this grass the after the weeding, say get chemical for your spore put. Cause the way this grass still dey grow now. Now be say they will clear am again for the December life.
Night, the thing is growing very fast. So I'll not buy chemical to be spraying it.
Say fine. Say good morning, sir. Yeah, go. Daddy number is calling you. Go and meet daddy.
Before it grows up, really spray it.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
It's growing very fast.
And this one be our farm. This one for you.
But you don't say this government never encourage agric. Buhari encourage agric. The wife say my boy they do garden for a house. Everybody do garden. Buhari, he close border say everyone should go to farm. Everybody do garden. I always tell the grow again. They put fertilizer. This place is for now to read and plant corn.
Na person farm.
Clearance. Yeah. Before they farm for them. All the owner won't come.
This place na Mr. Chinedu na get here. I don't know who get here.
Come.
Guys, we are doing a thorough cleaning now. You know, it's almost Christmas, so we are doing a thorough cleaning. Just pack all the chairs in one side to clean. Well done. Taste what are you using? Yes. When you are done cleaning, and this side of this window, close it because of dust. Breeze. Do you hear? Yes.
Set up now.
That space is too much. Is that where it was? Small. Guys, hubby just help me and arrange this place now. So he arranged this place more so that we have more space for the Christmas celebration, guys. Christmas goes still here. It goes sweet well for this place. So we're arranging the compound little by little for the preparation of Christmas. We want this place to be very beautiful Christmas. So we're going to do more by clearing the place, making it very neat and open and spacious for more fresh air to be okay. So this is all for the Saturday clothes and everything. Okay, guys, so I want to go now. Those shoes don't dry like that, have you? They are doing their Black Friday. Wow. Oh yeah, see the direction. Wow. Christmas in Benin. Go, don't pull it. See here, see. Oh yeah, let's go and buy. Come, let's go and buy. Come. You remove your hands. Just leave it like that. Leave it like that.